Hello students, we are doing exercise of chapter 6. Now second exercise, fill in the blanks. Choose the correct exercise I have taught in the previous video. So let's start. In India, blank is the age for adult franchisees. The answer is 18 years. Blank presides over the sitting in Lok Sabha. The answer is Speaker. Third, the number of members decided by the Indian Constitution for Rajya Sabha is 250 members. The term of a Rajya Sabha member is blank year, 6 years. Fifth, the President has the power to nominate blank members in the Rajya Sabha. The answer is 12 members. The blank is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The answer is the Vice President. Now short answer type questions. Mention 3 qualifications to become the member of Lok Sabha. This answer is in page number 34. Here is the answer. This is page number 34. You have to start from here. The following qualification for the members to seek election to the Lok Sabha. He or she should be a citizen of India and his or her name should be in the electoral roll. He should have acquired the age of 25 years. He should not be proclaimed bankrupt and insolvent by the court. So you have to write down these 3 points. Question number 2. Mention the 3 qualifications for a voter. This answer is in page number 35. You have to start from here. The following qualifications for the voters. First is, he or she must be a citizen of India and must have completed the age of 18 years. Second, his or her name must be in the voters list of the constituency to which he or she belongs. Third, he or she must not be an insolvent, bankrupt, and must be sane. These 3 points you have to write down in this answer. Next question is, what do you understand by first reading? This answer is in page number 37. You have to start this answer from here. Only the finance minister can introduce a money bill after getting the consent of the president in the Lok Sabha. The first reading of the bill, after getting the consent of the speaker, chairman of the house, a member can introduce the bill. The member reads the title of the bill. A copy of the bill is distributed among the members present. The proposal of this bill is published in the Government Gazette of the central government. Normally, a bill is not debated at this stage. This is known as the first reading. You have to start from here only to here, first reading. This is the answer number 3. Next question is, mention 5 subjects given in the central list. This answer is in page number 38. Here is the answer, the central list. There are 97 subjects in this list on which only the parliament can make law. The most important subject included in this list are, you can write down any 5 subjects. From this list, you can write down any 5 subjects. United Nations Organization, Army, Bank, Ancient Monuments, Currency. You can write any subject, any 5. Next question is, what is concurrent list? This answer is in page number 39. The concurrent list. There are 52 subjects in the concurrent list on which both the parliament and state legislature have the power to make laws. However, the laws passed by the center on these subjects shall prevail over the laws passed by the state legislature. This is the concurrent list meaning, and you have to write down any 5 subjects from this list. So students, next long answer type question I will explain you in the next video. You have to complete the copy up to short answers for today.